Imagine this, it's a blazing hot summer afternoon. The temperature outside is melting the asphalt, and you step inside your car, desperate for a blast of freezing cold air. You turn your AC to the maximum level, but instead of a refreshing breeze, all you get is a weak, lukewarm puff of air that feels like a hair dryer. Your immediate thought? The AC gas must be empty, or worse, the expensive compressor is completely dead. You drive straight to a mechanic, and before you know it, they hand you a massive bill for a complete AC overhaul. But what if I told you that 90% of the time, your car AC stops cooling because of 3 incredibly simple reasons that mechanics will almost never tell you? What if you could fix your car's AC right at home, completely for free, and get that ice-cold cooling back instantly? In this video, we are going to expose the hidden secrets of car air conditioning systems. We will show you exactly how to diagnose the issue yourself and share 3 simple DIY hacks that will turn your car's cabin into a refrigerator. Make sure you watch until the very end, because trick number 3 is something that can save you thousands of dollars this summer. Let's start with the absolute most common culprit behind poor AC cooling, the cabin air filter. Most car owners know about the engine air filter, but a shocking number of people have no idea that their AC has its own dedicated lungs. The cabin air filter is responsible for catching all the dust, pollen, and debris before the air enters your seating area. Over months of driving through heavy traffic and dusty roads, this filter gets completely choked. When the filter is covered in a thick layer of black dirt, the air simply cannot pass through it. This causes 2 massive problems. First, the airflow from your vents becomes incredibly weak, even when the fan speed is at maximum. Second, because the air isn't circulating properly over the cooling coils, the system cannot lower the temperature inside the cabin. Mechanics love this problem. Why? Because they can easily tell you that your AC system needs a deep chemical cleaning, charge you a fortune, and all they really do is replace or clean this filter. Finding and replacing your cabin air filter is as simple as opening your glove box, pulling out the old tray, and sliding in a new one. It takes less than 2 minutes and costs next to nothing. The second hidden reason your car AC is blowing warm air is a dirty AC condenser. To understand this, you need to know how your AC actually works. The condenser sits right at the very front of your car, usually right in front of the engine radiator. Its main job is to take the heat from inside your car and release it into the outside air. Because of its position at the front bumper, the condenser acts like a shield. It catches every single bug, leaf, piece of plastic, and layer of mud from the road. When the metallic fins of the condenser get blocked by mud and grime, it loses its ability to release heat. If the heat cannot escape from the front of the car, the refrigerant liquid inside the pipe stays hot, and the air vents inside your cabin will never blow cold air. The fix for this is incredibly satisfying and completely free. You don't need to dismantle your bumper or visit a garage. All you need is a regular garden hose. Pop your car hood, locate the condenser right behind the front grille, and gently spray it with water from top to bottom. You will see black, muddy water pouring out from under your car. Once those metallic fins are clean and clear, your AC's cooling efficiency will shoot up instantly. Now, let's talk about reason number 3, which is actually a massive mistake that almost every driver makes without even realizing it. It's all about the air recirculation button. Take a look at your AC control panel. Do you see that button with an arrow looping inside the silhouette of a car? That is the single most important button for hot summer days. There are 2 modes, fresh air mode and recirculation mode. When you leave the system on fresh air mode, your car is constantly pulling in blazing hot, humid air from outside and forcing the AC compressor to cool it down from scratch. This puts an extreme amount of stress on your engine, burns way more fuel, and makes it impossible for the cabin to get properly chilled. The secret hack is simple. When you first get into a burning hot car, open all the windows, put the AC on fresh air mode for exactly 1 minute to push the trapped hot air out. Then, roll up the windows and switch to recirculation mode. This locks the outside heat out and continuously recycles the already cooled air inside the cabin. Your compressor can rest, your fuel average improves, and your vents start throwing ice-cold air. Before you let any workshop convince you that you need a brand new AC compressor or an expensive gas refill, check these 3 basic factors yourself. Clean your cabin filter, wash your front condenser, and use your recirculation button correctly. You will be amazed at how much money you can save by just understanding how your vehicle works. If your car AC is running cool now after watching this guide, make sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment below telling us which car you drive and if these tricks worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another practical car care secret.